Good day, everyone. In this video guide today, I shall take us on the savings and loans module on the PMIS. So the savings and loans module can be found under the FPCU navigation tab, under WAG, under archives. We shall find savings and members savings. I had already captured a few of them. I shall go to my mobile app and capture again. So I am already logged in as a word facilitator, and under the ongoing survey, one out of the list will be member savings form. Yes, member savings form and capture data. So the first field on this form helps the word facilitator to determine if this is a new or a follow-up savings cycle. And so if he chooses weekly slash follow-up, four of the fields are omitted: the date started, date ended, current cycle, and agreed value of one stamp. But the new, which is always selected by default, shows all fields. So I shall go ahead to capture the new first, then come back again to capture as a follow-up. So the agreed value, I shall put 100. For the WAG ID, I shall select Anoluwa or WAG. Comment if need be. Attendance, so ticking those who were present, any with social fund. I shall just put random values. Then the number of stamps this particular WAG member has to offer, I shall put 10 and 5. Then I shall go ahead to save. Now this is the second form where we add additional information about the particular WAG members, about particular WAG members in this particular cycle. So select penalties. If the reason for the penalty is others, the field beneath shows for the user to type in, but if it's any other thing else, you can't type in that particular field. If there are any write-ups, you also write it. Go ahead to save. Then this is the third and the last form. I shall just put in random values and I shall submit. Okay, okay. Yeah. Then moving back to the PMIS, um, clicking on the savings menu again, I shall see the Anoluwa WAG in which I just captured savings on. It is new. If I activate the value of savings this cycle column, I shall be able to see value of savings is 1,500. That is because it's multiplied the value of one stamp by the number of stamps each WAG member had to give, which in my case was 10 and 5 for both persons. So I shall come again to capture another savings, but this time I shall capture as a follow-up. So as you can see, the fields for savings cycle and value of one stamp has disappeared. I shall put in comments if I like. So how it calculates the entire value of savings for this particular savings I am filling is it picks the immediate previous value of one stamp for this particular WAG whose type was set to new and uses it to calculate the value of savings each member had to offer. So if I put in 9 here and I put in 6 here, it picks. Previously, if you remember, I set the value of one stamp to 100, so it's going to pick that 100 because the 100 is the immediate previous value of one stamp set for this particular WAG. um, So I shall just, go ahead to save. I can skip this and click next. It skips the second form. Then you can go to the last form and fill and save. Save. Okay. Submit. Submit. Okay. 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 So if I head back to the PMIS, I shall see the follow-up savings capture I just did. And if I activate the value of savings this cycle, I shall see I also have 1,500. That's because I set it to 9 and 6 for both members. So that is um, how the savings and loans module works. If I head over to member savings, I'll be able to see what each member was able to contribute, um, and to view reports on the savings and loans module, heading over to the reports navigation tab, M&E reports, excuse me, savings and loans. We have quite a number of them here. You can select any one. If you choose to create the report without um, restricting it to a confined date range, you can select no dates, filter by state should you wish to, and click on generate reports. So this is the report. You can copy, save, share it to other users, export it, view the charts, in full screen, print it, and whatnot. So that is the savings and loans module on the PMIS. Thank you.